Rockstar lifestyle might not make it, so roll up, let's get high. Yeah, I think my niggas, I've been clutching on my glizzy.
Hey yo, what's good y'all? It's your boy Amari and I'm back again with another banging video, man. If y'all haven't already, make sure y'all go ahead and subscribe to the channel, man. I know half of y'all don't even subscribe, y'all just be watching me for real, so make sure y'all just go ahead and do that. I just hit 640 and yeah, man, we lit. So as y'all can see, man, by the title, I have some tape, bro. And this is for all the people that are like DIY like me, like you ain't trying to spend a whole bunch of money on your car, you know what I'm saying? But you want it to look good. So I got some tape and I'm about to show y'all exactly what I'm gonna do with it. Right now, I want y'all to just go ahead and put y'all hands together and clap for me one time, because this is the greatest thing I've ever came up with. This is like my third time doing this. So it definitely works. I want y'all to know that. And I'm gonna show y'all how to do it. I'm gonna quit talking. Make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe, like I said, man. And we lit. So like I was saying, man, I know a lot of y'all ain't trying to spend no grip, you know, on your car mods and whatnot. So this right here, $5 over there at Dollar General, you know what I'm saying? Make sure you get duct tape. Don't get like no painter's tape or nothing like that, because it's not gonna stick. So vinyl, the prices on that is crazy. So that's the reason why I'm doing this. This is an alternative for you guys out there that's like, you know, just trying to get a quick little cheap little thing that's gonna work. So boom, grab you some of this, man. Quick and simple. Well, I ain't gonna say it's quick and simple, but it's definitely worth it. Like it's definitely worth the work. Like you can take this tape and roll it straight up just like that, you know what I'm saying? But yeah, y'all get what I'm saying. Jump straight into this, man. I will tell y'all, man, like y'all will know it that is, you know, tape or whatever, but nobody else will know unless you tell them, because it looks like vinyl, at least to most people. Because I've had my stripes in the past from this tape, and people never even noticed until I told them. They were like, what, you did this yourself? I'm like, yeah, bro, I literally took my time. It took me like an hour and a half just to put all this on, because you know you gotta like measure and all that stuff. But yeah, man, they were pretty shocked that I was able to do this on my own with tape. And for example, I actually did this right here, my decal that I recently took off, but you know, it stayed for a whole year. Literally, this has been here for a whole year, but like I said, I took it off and, you know, it left the residue or whatever. But it used to be like Chinese letters right here. But with that being said, man, we about to get straight into it, man. I hope y'all enjoy this video. It's about to be pretty lit. So boom, as y'all can see, I done got the two big stripes on, you know what I'm saying? And they are definitely very straight. I got them as straight as I could. My mom, y'all seen her step in for a little bit. I don't know if she got in frame, but she was out here trying to help me get it straight. But it's looking really good all the way down now. I'm about to go ahead and add some more down here. This is crooked, obviously, but I'm gonna fix that. Don't even worry about it. Alright, y'all, so this is what it's looking like, bro. This is the finished product, at least for now, because I gotta go to work in a little bit. So this is where I'm gonna leave it off at. I'm gonna put some more like black accents and all that stuff so y'all can see it later on. But for now, it's looking pretty smackable. I ain't even gonna lie. Like, I didn't even expect it to come out this good this time, because last time it was a little crooked, you know what I'm saying? I didn't have like no good measurement or nothing, so it was like kind of leaning that way a little. But now, bro, whew. See, man, y'all don't have to go get vinyl, bro. Y'all could just get some tape, put that on there. Like, there's a little flaw right there, but I can fix that later on. We ain't worried about that. That junk looks so good though, man. Like, hold up. Let me turn my lights on real quick. Let's see. Ooh, that is so clean. That is clean. That is clean. Bro, y'all can't say this ain't clean. Y'all cannot say this is not clean. That looks amazing. Man, I highly recommend this. It lasts for a very long time. That being said though, that's the end of the video. Let me know in the comments what y'all think of this. If y'all want to do this, send me videos in a DM or send me pictures or whatever of y'all doing it, and I'll shout y'all out, you know what I'm saying? Because this right here, bro, I believe anybody can do this, bro. Like, it's quick and simple. You just gotta be artsy, I guess. I mean, you really don't even gotta be that. You just gotta really know what you're doing a little bit. I mean, because that's really not hard to do. It's just 2 lines. Or you can do 1. I just like 2 because 2 looks really good, you know what I'm saying? It's like straight down the middle. Look good to me.